This week, we received our soil report from the University of Maine Testing Service, and Kate Garland explained to us what exactly the numbers mean. Firstly, she told us our soil was lacking magnesium, so we'll need to add lime.
Sometimes gardeners get into the habit of adding lime every year, and that can cause just as bad of a problem as having a more acidic soil.
However, something you have at home may already work.
They could use wood ash instead of lime to bring the pH up to speed too. And that will actually add potassium to your soil too.
Kate said we also need to supplement the soil with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, common nutrients needed in Maine for planting, which can be purchased at a local nursery or garden center. Unfortunately, we saw rain all week, so we weren't able to begin tilling, but we did go over the basics of container gardening for those who may not be able to plant in the ground.
You can do any size that you want with a raised bed. We do recommend having it no wider than 4 feet wide, just so that you can reach into the middle of your raised bed.
Kate showed us how she uses pots.
There's a lot of great deals on pottery out there, but just make sure that there is a hole in the bottom for water to drain out of.
Seedlings such as basil and sage can be grown in containers by simply using potting soil.
I gently pull them apart, and I'm holding on to the leaves and not the stem, because it's important to not damage the stem at all, especially on seedlings. And then I've got the potting mix really loosely in there, and I just gently put the seedling in.
Kate says plants grown in containers do need to be watered more often than those in the ground, but the benefit of container gardening is the ability to bring the plants inside at night this time of year. In Bangor, this is Erin Thomas for ABC7 and Fox 22.